Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've covered the history, let's get into the fun part, recipes and tips for making egg salad. Whether you like it creamy or chunky, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Follow these steps, and you'll never have to deal with rubbery whites or grey-green yolks again. Chopping and mixing techniques. How you chop and mix your egg salad can make or break its texture and flavor consistency. Here's how to get it just right. Chopping the eggs. For a rustic salad, coarsely chop the eggs with a knife. If you want a finer texture, consider mashing them gently with a fork. You can even use an egg slicer for uniform pieces. Slice once, then rotate the egg and slice again. Mixing ingredients evenly. Start with the dressing, typically mayo, mustard, and seasonings, in a large bowl. Whisk it until smooth, then add your eggs. This ensures the dressing coats everything evenly. Texture balance. Balance is key. If you like it chunkier, fold in the mix gently. For creamier salad, mash part of the eggs into the dressing before stirring in the rest. Season early but taste test. Don't be shy with salt, pepper, and any herbs or spices you're adding. Egg salad shines when it's well seasoned, but taste as you go to avoid overdoing it. Add-ons last. If you're including extras like celery, pickles, or onions, fold them in at the end. This prevents watery vegetables from overpowering the creamy dressing. By paying attention to these little details, you're guaranteeing consistent flavor in every single bite. Egg salad may be simple, but the techniques you use can take it to the next level. Serving egg salad, ideas and inspiration. Egg salad is incredibly versatile, which is why it's become a favorite for meals, snacks, and even party spreads. Whether you stick to the classics or experiment with modern twists, there's truly no wrong way to enjoy it. Let's explore some serving ideas that showcase just how flexible and fun egg salad can be. Traditional serving styles. The classic ways to serve egg salad are effortless and crowd-pleasing. These options have stood the test of time for a reason: simple, satisfying, and endlessly customizable. Sandwiches. Layer egg salad between slices of soft white or whole grain bread. Add lettuce for crunch or tomato slices for freshness. Want a fancier take? Try it on a croissant for a buttery, delicate upgrade. Wraps. For an easy-to-hold option, spoon your egg salad onto a flour tortilla, then roll it up. Throw in some crisp greens or shredded carrots for extra crunch. This is perfect for picnics or packed lunches. As a side dish, keep it simple by serving egg salad as a scoop on the side of grilled chicken, burgers, or any main dish. No bread needed, just a fork and maybe some crackers. These traditional styles highlight the creamy, comforting nature of egg salad. They're practical, familiar, and always delicious. Unique and modern presentations. If you're looking to shake things up, there are plenty of creative ways to serve egg salad. These modern twists not only elevate presentation but also cater to current food trends. Avocado boats. Halve an avocado, remove the pit, and scoop a dollop of egg salad into the cavity. The creamy avocado pairs beautifully with the flavors of the salad, plus it's perfect for a low-carb or keto option. Lettuce cups. Use large, sturdy leaves like romaine or butter lettuce as a natural bowl for your egg salad. This presentation is light, crisp, and gluten-free. Open-faced sandwiches. Instead of the classic sandwich, try serving egg salad on toasted artisan bread. Rye, sourdough, or even a baguette sliced long ways works great. Garnish with microgreens or radish slices for a sophisticated touch. Stuffed vegetables. hollow out cherry tomatoes or small bell peppers and spoon egg salad inside. These make fantastic appetizers or finger foods for gatherings. Unique bread pairings. Swap out traditional sliced bread for bagels, pita pockets, or brioche buns. The slight sweetness of brioche or the hearty chew of a multigrain bagel offers fresh dynamics to the flavor. Serving egg salad with a modern twist adds excitement and makes it feel new, even to longtime fans of this dish. Pairing egg salad with drinks and sides. To create a balanced meal or even a full-on spread, it's worth pairing your egg salad with complementary drinks and sides. The goal is to enhance the flavor of the dish while keeping everything light and satisfying. Beverages. A refreshing iced tea works well to cut through the richness. Try unsweetened black tea with lemon or a mildly sweet peach iced tea. For brunch, a mimosa offers a bubbly, citrusy complement that pairs beautifully with creamy textures. A lemon-infused sparkling water is a versatile, calorie-free option that keeps the palate refreshed. Sides. Fresh fruit. A simple fruit salad or sliced melon adds natural sweetness and balances the savory richness of egg salad. Veggie sticks, carrots, celery, or cucumber matchsticks are perfect for scooping. They also make the meal more colorful and nutritious. Potato chips or crackers. If you want something indulgent, crispy potato chips or buttery crackers offer a satisfying crunch. Side salads. A light cucumber dill salad, or a simple mixed green salad with vinaigrette complements egg salad without overpowering it. These pairings turn egg salad from a quick snack into a meal that feels complete and well thought out. Whether you're hosting friends or just upgrading lunch, these additions make a difference. By mixing traditional favorites with creative serving styles and thoughtful pairings, egg salad can shine in any setting, from a weekday lunch to a special weekend brunch. Health benefits and nutritional insights of egg salad. Egg salad is more than just a quick and tasty meal. It can be a nutritious addition to your diet when prepared thoughtfully. Packed with protein and healthy fats, it offers energy and satiety in every bite. Whether you're customizing it to meet specific dietary needs or looking to make healthier choices, understanding the nutritional aspects of egg salad can help you enjoy it guilt-free. High protein and low-carb benefits. Egg salad fits seamlessly into diets focused on high protein and low carbohydrates, making it a go-to for many health-conscious eaters. Hard-boiled eggs serve as the core ingredient, and they're a powerhouse of protein. A single large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, which helps repair muscles, support immune function, and keep you feeling full longer. For those on low-carb diets like Keto or Atkins, egg salad is a natural choice. It's inherently low in carbohydrates, especially when served on its own or with low-carb options like lettuce wraps or avocados. Skipping the bread not only lowers the carb count but also makes it gluten-free. Pairing egg salad with leafy greens can further enhance its nutritional profile while keeping the meal light. What makes egg salad stand out in these diets is its versatility. You can adjust the ingredients, like replacing mayonnaise with Greek yogurt or mashed avocado, to meet specific caloric needs while still getting a satisfying, protein-packed dish. Calories, fats, and modifications. Traditional egg salad recipes can be calorie-dense, especially due to mayonnaise, which is high in fat. While this isn't inherently a bad thing, those watching their caloric intake can easily lighten the recipe with a few smart modifications. Substitute mayo with a lighter option. Try using non-fat Greek yogurt or avocado for the dressing. This can cut down on calories while providing healthier fats. Watch portion sizes. A typical serving of egg salad is about half to 1 cup. However, if you're pairing it with other sides or serving it on a sandwich, be mindful of your portion sizes to keep the meal balanced. Use leaner proteins. You can swap out part of the eggs for cooked chicken breast or other lean meats to reduce the fat content and boost the protein ratio. Egg salad can easily fit into a balanced diet if you make mindful choices. By swapping some ingredients and watching portions, you can enjoy this dish without overdoing the calories or fats. Egg salad for special diets. Egg salad is not only nutritious, but it's also highly adaptable. Here's how it can fit into a variety of special diets. Keto. Egg salad is naturally keto-friendly. Keep it low-carb by skipping bread and pairing it with low-carb veggies. Paleo. Stick to using whole foods, such as avocado and olive oil mayo. Avoid processed ingredients like commercial mayonnaise. Vegetarian. Replace meat options with egg salad for a protein-rich, meatless meal. Gluten-free. Egg salad itself is gluten-free, but if serving on bread, be sure to use gluten-free alternatives. Egg salad is a healthy, customizable option, making it easy to fit into any lifestyle. Whether you're looking for protein, healthy fats, or dietary adaptability, this dish has you covered. Conclusion: the timeless appeal of egg salad. Egg salad is a culinary classic that continues to delight with its creamy texture, savory flavors, and versatile nature. Whether you stick to the traditional recipe or try out new twists, its adaptability makes it a go-to choice for any occasion. With a rich history, endless variations, and health benefits, egg salad remains a staple in kitchens worldwide. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.